If you love bold, cheesy, and hearty breakfast, you need to try this. Today, I'm making a Cajun Breakfast Skillet packed with a smoky sausage, crispy bacon, melted cheese, and perfectly cooked eggs, paired with buttery, cheesy, bacon-filled buttermilk biscuits. This is the ultimate Southern breakfast. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Tika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds.
Alright, let's talk about what's going into this flavor bomb of a breakfast. For the buttermilk biscuits, 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, about 2 teaspoons oregano leaves, ½ cup cold butter, 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, as well as ½ cup of cheddar cheese. And to bring this all together, we're using about a 3/4 to a cup of buttermilk. For the Cajun skillet, we've got Cajun sausage bringing the heat, smoked sausage for the depth smoky flavor, 2 types of cheese, cheddar and mozzarella, as well as 6 eggs. Not to forget that crispy bacon for the topping and chives as well. Now that we've got all we need, let's get started by sizzling away with getting our bacon nice and crispy. And of course, we're adding an extra little spice with a little kick of cayenne pepper. Nicely done. It's time to remove them, and now we're going to cut into small pieces and get them ready for both the eggs and also that loaded buttermilk. Alright, speaking of the buttermilk, it's now time to get this dough ready, right? And we're adding cold butter and just using the pastry blender there to cut the fat into the flour. Big chunks is ideal because we need those nice lovely flakes in our biscuit. Alright, up next we're flavoring with some oregano leaves, followed by the bacon. Up next is the cheese, right? So we're using mozzarella for a lovely melt and also sharp cheddar for a mild sharpness. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and now we are just combining all these together to fully incorporate before we add that buttermilk. Alright, and there we are, adding the buttermilk to ensure that it is nice and smooth and also soft. And just like that, our dough is ready. And guess what? It's time to divide and shape. Now you can just flour your rolling board and your rolling pin with a little flour to prevent your dough from sticking. Alright, and about a 1/4 inch thickness is good, or to your desire. Now we're going to do some circles and also some stars as well. And just like that, guys, quick and easy, there we went in with the star mold, right? And we're not wasting anything, not at all. We're definitely going to roll out again, right? And get some more biscuits from our dough. Alright, and just like that, and this dough was so perfect, so nice, so soft, so small. Oh my goodness, can you just imagine the taste when you bite into this buttermilk biscuit with the bacon, the cheese? Oh my goodness. Make you want to slap your mama, huh? Alright, up next we are brushing there with a little butter, which will add a little, a little golden hue to our biscuits. And guess what? They went into the oven to bake. Now it's time to get our Cajun skillet going, right? So we have sliced our sausage. Now we are seasoning those eggs with a little salt and black pepper to taste. Alright, giving it a nice little whisk, incorporate a little air so it can be fluffy, and then it's time to sizzle. And in we go with those sausage, followed by our egg mixture, guys. And we're just gonna allow it to sit for 15 seconds before we even consider moving this, right? Because we want it nice, those eggs to be nice and fluffy, right? And we're moving it inwards, and just like so, by the time you know it, guess what? Oh yeah, it is time to apply the cheese. We went in with some mild cheddar, some mozzarella. The flame is off at this point because we want it to melt in so smoothly, so creamy. Oh my goodness. Followed up with that bacon and chives. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now, cause this is a flavor bomb, I tell you. And guess what? Oh yeah, those biscuits are also ready. And you can guess what time is it next, right? Time to plate up. All right, and guess what? Just look at this beauty. The eggs are perfectly cooked, the cheese is melty, the bacon is crispy, and those chives are the perfect fresh touch. And these biscuits, buttery, flaky, and loaded with cheese, smoky goodness. If this doesn't scream the perfect southern breakfast, I don't know what does. Now all that's left is to dig in, right? Now if you loved this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering dishes. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your favorite southern breakfast dish, and don't forget to share this recipe with your fellow foodies. Now, just before we go, let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. Thank you for cooking with me today. Love y'all and enjoy.